Want to deliver your freebie instantly in Squarespace without needing an email marketing provider? Well, let me show you how. Most of the time, freebies are delivered through your email marketing platform. Someone signs up and the platform automatically sends them an email with the download. But if you haven't chosen or aren't ready to invest in an email platform yet, you can still start collecting subscribers right away. One simple solution that we love in Squarespace is to use just a regular form to gather signups and deliver your freebie instantly. The instant delivery method is great if you're just starting out or if you just want to set up something quickly or need a free option while you're growing. It's not ideal if you want to run automated welcome sequences, track email engagement, or manage multiple freebies with complex tagging. In those cases, we definitely recommend dedicated email marketing. But in this video, we're going to walk you through exactly how to set up this instant freebie download on your Squarespace site using a form block so that you can easily collect subscribers and deliver your freebie in one automated sweep. Okay, so let's build it out. I'm working from one of our templates right now, and I thought this would be a really nice area to set this up. So we've got this free download button. We could also create a little form here and it would still look just as nice, but I'll go through all of the different options with you. Essentially, we need to either use a newsletter block form or just a standard form. If you're on the Squarespace starter plan, I believe newsletter blocks aren't available, but that's totally fine. You can just use the standard form anyway if you want to. So go ahead and click edit on your page and then come to where you want either the button or the form to be to download the freebie. Right now, we just have a standard button here that links to nothing. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete this. And I'm going to click add block. And then I'm just going to go with a standard form for this one. But like I said, you can also do this with a newsletter block if you'd prefer that. The only real reason you'd probably use a newsletter block instead of a regular form in this case is if you wanted to connect to Squarespace email campaigns. But since you're probably here because you're not using an email marketing service, then a form is probably fine. So I'm going to customize my form by clicking on this edit icon. And first I'm just going to change the name of it. So I'm just going to call it free download. I might change the submit button to get your freebie or something like that. And then under edit form fields, I'm going to adjust the form fields to what I want here. So I do want the name field and I want the email field. I don't need the subject and the message for this. So I'm just going to click the trash icon and delete them. You can add or remove any fields here and adjust. Generally, for a freebie, you usually just require a name and an email. If you don't want the full first name, last name that Squarespace has already set up, you can actually delete this field, add a new text field, then go in and edit it and just change it to first name or something like that. Make sure you set this to required if you want it to be required, and you can move the order of them by just clicking and dragging here. So now we've got first name and email both required. Then you can flick over to the design tab and play around with the design here. When you adjust your form here, it actually affects all forms on your site. There is a little note here, so just be aware of that. So it's basically like you're editing your form site styles. You can also edit the form styles in the actual site styles panel. This is just kind of like a quick way to get there. Then you want to set up your storage. So this is important for collecting email addresses. By default, it'll probably have your email notification set up. So that means whenever someone enters in the form, you're going to get an email notification. So if this is the only storage selection you choose, then you would have to manually organize those emails that come into your inbox, those email notifications, manually take out people's email addresses from there, put them into a spreadsheet or wherever you want to organize them. But you can also click here on additional storage and you can connect with Google Drive. And this is really handy if you want to just put those emails into a spreadsheet and have them organized in there. We would recommend that instead of having them go to your inbox. So I would connect to Google Drive and link it up with the spreadsheet and probably remove this unless I wanted to manually follow up with people or if I wasn't planning to get a lot of submissions here. But if you do plan on getting quite a lot of submissions for your freebie, I would turn the email notifications off just because they're going to be more annoying than helpful. As long as you've got that Google Drive linked here, then you're good to go. You can also connect to MailChimp if you want to use that as your email marketing provider, or you can connect to Zapier, which can basically connect to anything else. So if you want to connect that, just click connect and then follow the prompts. And this isn't actually related to how we're going to deliver the freebie at all. This is only related to organizing the people that have submitted the form, basically. So the only reason you'd connect to Google Drive or something like that is because you want to have a nice tidy list of people who have opted in for your freebie. So how you're going to actually deliver your freebie is through the post submit message or page. So go back over to content and then go down to post submit. This is basically what shows up after someone submits the form. So you can add a message here, and you've got two options for how you want to deliver the freebie in this case. You can just add a link, like an inline text link here. So click here to download. I would maybe make it bold, and then you can add a link. So adding a link here where you can add a URL to a specific file, or you can actually upload a file directly here. So when they click on this, click here to download, it will automatically download it. So you have lots of options there. The alternative is you can also redirect them to another page. So instead of using a message, you can choose redirect, add in any URL here, whether it's on your site or from a different site, or even you could directly link them to the specific file as well. So it would just redirect this entire page. As soon as they hit that get your freebie button, it's going to redirect them to whatever you want to redirect them to. So they instantly get whatever you've added to that page or whatever that page is. For example, if it's like a free training where you have a video and information, you could just send them directly to that page. So that's basically it. The really similar setup for the newsletter block if you are using it. There's a post submit message for that too. And this is basically just a really, really simple way to start growing your email list and delivering your freebies right away without having to worry about getting set up with email marketing. We do recommend getting set up with email marketing eventually, especially if you're planning to use this as a strategy. But if you're just building your site and you want to get something up, but for some reason the email marketing side of things is holding you back, definitely just start with this. You can always take that Google Drive CSV and upload it to any email marketing provider. And just to finish this up, to make it look exactly how I want, I'm actually going to go under design, and I'm going to actually turn this into a lightbox form. So it's actually just going to be a button. And I'm going to write here, get my freebie. I'm going to adjust this just so it looks good. I'll save. And then I'm also just going to tweak it in the site styles too, so it's the right color. Over here in my site styles, I'm going to change the button background to this nice yellow and the button text to a dark color. Now it looks better. Okay, so let's quickly test it out. I'm going to click get my freebie. I'm going to put in my name, and I'm going to click get your freebie. And then it says here, thank you for signing up for the freebie. Click here to download. Hopefully that was a helpful tip, and you can start building your audience now today with Squarespace, keeping all of your signups organized in one place and giving people a smooth and on-brand experience from the moment they subscribe. Thanks for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one.